Hello, today we're going to be reviewing over the University-Beebe mobile app. Let's get started. As soon as I open the app, I'm going to tap Get Started, and then I'm going to tap Sign In with University-Beebe account. Once I tap Sign In with my University-Beebe account, it's going to ask me for my student email. That's always going to be your first name dot last name @ahub.edu. After that, I'm going to enter in my student password. Then I'm going to tap Sign In. Once I tap Sign In, it's going to ask me if I want to stay signed in. After, it should say Registration Successful. Once you're on the app, the very first thing we're going to look at is the shield at the top right. Once you click this shield, it should take you to the campus safety portion of the app. This app is extremely helpful for contacting campus police in case of an emergency. Now we're going to scroll down to the first 6 boxes. These boxes include campus services, groups and clubs, special events, the Student Success Center, campus news, and social media. As we scroll down to the campus information heading, we see 6 more boxes. These boxes include the campus directory, the course catalog, library, ASUB bookstore, campus map, and a link to book a campus tour. Lastly, the 5 links under campus information is weather, student handbook, a section if you need more information, your student email, and IT support. Now that we have reviewed over all the boxes on the front page, we're going to review the icons at the bottom of the app, starting with the speech bubble at the bottom. Once you tap the speech bubble, a news feed will appear similar to that of Facebook or Twitter. As a student, you could use this to ask about a class, ask classmates about homework, ask what's for dinner as a resident, or see what classmates are up to, and so on. Later in this video, we will go over all the different types of posts you can make. At the top right of this page, you can see there's another bubble. Click on this bubble and you can send private messages to other students. At the top left, if you click on the 3 bars, different channels will appear. Each channel is over one specific topic, so if you go into that channel, it's all going to be related to that, such as student feed, buy and sell, lost and found, housing, news, and ride sharing. To customize, if you would like to get a notification if somebody posts on a specific channel, click on the cog at the top right and you will get a list. To turn off notifications for a specific channel, click the blue tab on the right. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to post on the student feed. We're going to tap on what's on your mind. Once we do that, it's going to ask us what channel we want to post in, and we're going to select New Post in Student Feed. Once here, you can add multiple photos and type in anything you want. For this example, I'm going to type in test. Once I'm done, I'm going to click the arrow at the top right. Here you can see what I've posted appears at the top of the student feed. To edit or delete this post, click the 3 vertical dots to the right of comment. To the right of the student feed logo is the bell logo. This bell tells you if you have any pending notifications. The last logo is the person logo. This represents your profile. Once we're here, we can see the many options on the profile page, such as my friends, my feed post, my calendar, my courses, my groups, my upcoming events, my activities, and a verification that my ASUB account is connected at the bottom. To adjust the settings of my profile, click the cog at the top right. Once on this settings page, we can see we have many options, such as edit profile, email addresses, notifications, privacy, help and feedback, and about. Now we are going to tap on where it says edit profile. Once here, we can edit a banner, a profile picture, put in our first and last name, and enter a bio. If we go back and tap on email addresses, we can see that it has our ASUB email verified. Next, under notifications, you can see it goes over notifications for the entire app, for email, chats, announcements, campus feeds, and group feeds. Lastly, under privacy, you can choose to show your profile in groups, review over blocked users, look at the privacy policy, or close your account if you choose to do so. That was an introduction to the ASUB mobile app. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you and have a great day.